Guys, today I am going to tell you if you don't have partner, still you can become fluent English by practicing by yourself. See myself. I don't have any partner. I don't have any teacher. I don't have any environment. However, my English is fabulous. Why? Because I speak every day by myself. Because if you are speaking by yourself, of course, that time your mind works, your heart works, your thinking process works, and of course, absolutely, your tongue also works. So guys, for that, now I am going to show you what you have to do. You don't have to do anything, guys. Please believe in me. Just learn some tenses and some basic words and start speaking by yourself. And of course, you must be thinking that okay, but how should I start? So of course guys, you have so many things to speak. You have stories, you have your present time and future time, and you have learned present time, future time, and past time how to speak. So including all the things, you just try to speak, because until you speak you can't speak. So just start from today and just speak and speak and speak. So let's start. Suppose now I am going to practice. I don't know anything, but I know structures like past structure, present, and future, and also some basic words. So now I am going to create one simple story, and after this story, I am going to ask so many questions related to this story, so that I can tell any story, as well as I can ask some question related to that story, so that I can satisfy myself that okay, now I can speak, now I'm able to speak, now I'm able to ask question. Because until you get satisfied, it's like, oh, why I'm not able to speak, why I'm not improving, I have been learning English for a long time, but I have sinus, I have hesitation, I make mistake. So you have million trash in your mind, but you never start speaking. That is why you are fail. So you should not be like this. Just start speaking. Your speaking, your tongue, your mind can make you fluent English. Nothing can be changed you. Nothing can make you fluent in English. So let's start. There was a small family, like father, mother, and a son. Father was a farmer and mother was a homemaker, and son, he was a student. So father was totally pugnacious, and mother was a very magnanimous and so innocent woman. And the son was also, he was so innocent and magnanimous person. So they lived their life happily. So one day, when that farmer was going to his farm, suddenly he saw a boy crying. So he went to him and he asked that boy, hey, why are you crying? What is your name? That boy said, sir, my name is Subham, and I'm crying because I don't have family. I'm alone in this earth. Listening this, that farmer started thinking, and he started thinking to take advantage of that boy. He thought, okay, if I adapt this boy, so he will do so many work at my home and at my farm. So immediately he said, okay Subham, don't worry. Okay Subham, don't worry. From now onward, I'm your father. Consider me as your father. Just come with me and I will give you food. Subham, listening it, he got happy, and he went to farmer's home. After that, that farmer gave him food, and Subham ate food, and he got happy, he got energetic. After that, farmer said, hey, hey Shubham, so now just go to graze with fellows. So Subham said, okay. So Subham went to graze with fellows, and in the evening he came back home. Then, like, farmer's son, he said, dad, who is he? Farmer said, son, he is like a orphan. He is alone in this earth. So from now onward, he is your brother. He is your step brother. like that farmer's son, he got happy that okay, now I have one friend. So they both talked each other, and Subham said, what is your name? He said, my name is Ans. So they both became good friends. And Ans said to his dad, you should send Subham to school. But his dad denied, saying that no, I will not send him to school because he is going to work. He is going to become a farmer like me. So it will be good for us. Ans, farmer's son, got sad. He said, Dad, no, you should not do this. I am your son, so you should consider Subham as your son. He said, no, just go to your room and do your work. And Subham, you just go and like clean this room and that room. And Subham like went and he started cleaning. So after 3 months, farmer started torturing Subham every day. Subham had to do lots of work. Subham was so tired. But farmer didn't feel pity on Subham. But Ans' mom, she said, seeing this, she said to Subham, Subham, you should not stay here. If you will stay here, so you have to do a lot of work. My husband, he is not good. He will torture you. So take this money and go from here and just like go somewhere and just start studying, because you are alone on this earth. So you need to think about you. Just go and help yourself. Then that woman gave lots of money to Subham, and Subham went away from there. In the morning, that farmer like beat a lot his wife and son, but they were still happy that today we helped someone. After that, Subham went away from there, and later on he became a great person. He became a wealthy person in his life because he was alone in this earth. So guys, now I'm going to finish this story because video is going to become long. So I'm going to ask so many questions related to this story. Let me tell you how. Okay, so how many family members were there in that family? So there were 3 members in that family, like father, mother and son. Okay, so one day when farmer was going to his farm, so whom did he see? He saw a boy. Okay, what was his name? His name was Subham. How old was he? He was 10 years old. Okay, what was Subham doing over there? Subham was crying. Why was he crying? He was crying because he was alone and he was hungry. Okay, so what did farmer do with Subham? Well, farmer like consoled Subham and he took him to his home. Okay, so did Subham go to his home? Yeah, Subham went to his home. So was Subham given food? Yeah, Subham was given food. So did Subham get happy after eating food? Yeah, Subham got happy after eating food. Then what happened? After that, Subham started living over there. Okay, so did farmer send Subham to school? No. Farmer didn't send to him school. Why didn't farmer send to him school? Because he wanted to take advantage of Subham. Okay, so did farmer make him do lots of work? Yes, farmer made him do lots of work. So what happened after that? After that, one day farmer's wife felt pity on Subham, and she gave lots of money to Subham, and she told him that you should not live here. If you live here, my husband will torture you. Just go away from there. So then Subham went away from there. After that, what happened with this? After that, what happened with his wife and son? They were tortured a lot by farmer. So and what about Subham? Subham became a wealthy person, an affluent person in his life. So guys, I didn't know anything about this story before, but I created because I know I speak every day because I have habit to speak, because I'm speaking every day. Do this thing. Of course, you will come to me after 1 or 3 weeks and 1 month. Then you will tell me that yes, your trick was great, because you can make yourself fluent. Otherwise, no matter what you do, to become fluent English, but it's a reality. Until you speak, you can't speak. So just speak and speak because you want to become a speaker. So thank you so much guys. If you like this video, please subscribe and bye. I will meet you in my next video. Thank you.